Is Facebook's professional mode a mystery you can't unlock? This video will guide you step by step to fix it when it's not showing up. First, ensure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to your device's app store, search for Facebook, and if an update is available, tap to install it. Outdated versions can cause features to not appear correctly. Next, navigate to your personal profile. You can usually do this by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon in the corner of the Facebook app. Once on your profile page, scroll down, look for the Edit Profile button, tap on that. Within the Edit Profile section, keep scrolling. You're looking for a link or button that says Tools or Creator Tools. Sometimes it's hidden towards the bottom of the profile editing options. And there it is, the Set Up Professional Mode button. If you see this, congratulations. You're on the right track. Simply tap on it to begin the setup process. If you've updated your app and still don't see the option, try logging out of your Facebook account completely and then logging back in. This simple refresh can often resolve these kinds of glitches. Once professional mode is enabled, you'll unlock access to valuable creator tools like performance insights and monetization options, truly unlocking your Facebook potential.